Right. So as we move out of the 1980s into the modern era, why don't we pick a watch that kind of splits the difference between the past and the present?
Exactly. So Tim just picked up a Blancpain 50 Fathoms no radiation dial. So this was a watch that was released in 2010 as a tribute to one of the original 50 Fathoms watches. For those of you out there, this is the sort of watch that's great for, a collector. And for those of you that sort of follow the auctions, these particular watches, the originals, have been going for, higher and higher numbers. And, I think that those original Blancpains are beautiful watches. This was actually, the original version was actually one of the first dive watches that ever came out.
It beat the Rolex Submariner to market by a few months, and it laid down the template for what we still consider to be a dive watch.
Exactly. And I think that this watch right here was a tribute at a time in which many of the brands really weren't doing tributes. A lot of these different watches, for example, Vacheron's Complete Calendar, even the, Cartier bringing back the Panther, these are really, releases that have gone on in the last 3 years or so. So to do a re-edition in 2010, I think they were really ahead of their time and came out with a great watch.
I would also say this, if you're considering the 2017 Blancpain tribute to Mil-Spec, you really need to consider this, because the newer watch that's just come out has a variation on the 1150 caliber, which has a shorter power reserve, a less hardy architecture. This watch with a 5-day power reserve is also sports watch tough. It's effectively the automatic winding version of the celebrated 13RO Blancpain caliber. Very tough, beautifully finished, 300 meters water resistant, 5 days of autonomy. Let me turn it on its side. Between winding, one of 500 made, it also has a soft iron inner cage to make it robustly anti-magnetic. This is a watch that gives you a lot of value, right down to the way the strap is affixed to the lugs. You can see they use hex head screws rather than spring bars to retain the watch by sailcloth strap. A very upscale piece that looks and feels the part. Not a replica watch. There are a lot of factory tribute watches that feel like lazy re-editions.
This definitely has some significant updates. I mean, it's obviously, a much more shiny interpretation. You've got there on the back, it's a limited edition of 500 pieces. So this watch, at the time, I'm sure got sucked up very quickly. This was probably in the heyday when Blancpain really came back and was booming.
And I'll also say this, guys. You have the celebrated sapphire cambered crystal bezel of the modern 50 Fathoms, but you have it in a fully calibrated guise that's more luminescent and more distinctive than the standard model. Compared to the standard 5015 reference, this one has vintage-style printed indices, a fully calibrated bezel, and a moved date window that corresponds to the location of the NORAD symbol at 6 o'clock, creating a little bit more space and a little bit more symmetry on the dial relative to the standard model.
And, interestingly enough, I feel like in 2010 when, this watch came out and then when the other 50 Fathoms were really coming out, it was at a time in which people were starting, just starting to get used to the idea of having a 12, 13, 14, 15 and up $1,000 just basic steel sports watch. And, at the time, I think they were really being called almost like a rich man's sub. And, but when you look at the watch, I mean, they're beautifully made. And now, fast forward to 2017, we're about to be in 2018, people are now spending even more than that on time-only sports watches. So it really was ahead of its time.
And I'll say this, guys, if you want no compromise in quality of finish, materials, or specification, and you want to spend $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 less than a Royal Oak offshore diver or more, this is your ticket. It's built just as well. It's got a movement that's arguably even finer, and with a 5-day power reserve, it has something that's virtually unique in the dive watch class. That's a special piece, just like you said, absolutely.